Hello YouTube, so I do a quick video here. If you're looking for a NOAA weather antenna kit, here's your chance to go ahead and get one. Now what this is this is a kit. You have to assemble it and you got to supply your own wire that goes inside of here, but it's really simple to do. And since this is using hollow tubing, you can use any wire you have laying around. It could be stranded wire like this that's really flimsy. It doesn't matter because the tubing is going to hold the shape. So whatever wire you can fit in that tubing, you can use it. This kit will come with a SO239 connector, so you can go ahead and solder the wire or use a ring connector, however you want to do it. It will come with that. This add-on kit is set for the base frequency of 162.500 megahertz for the NOAA weather. Each of these rods are about 18.5 inches. The actual wire length that needs to go in there is about 18 3/16 inches long. So that's it. Like I said, it's really simple. Since now this is a receive antenna, we don't need to worry about tuning it. We don't need to worry about SWRs. We don't have to worry about none of that. Really simple to build this antenna. Now, I did this in two different colors for demonstration purposes. Obviously, when you go to purchase this, you'll either get black or white. I do recommend white since it's a lighter color, and that's better in hotter climates. But I did this for the video so you can see the difference. The weather add-on is the white, the parts that are in white are the weather add-on part of this, okay? So you do need the base antenna to hook these up to it, okay? And I'm going to show you the website. Matter of fact, I'll post my website link down below and where you can purchase this NOAA weather antenna kit. Now, this kit, even with all the extensions and including the S239 connector, only weighs about 5.1 ounces. It may weigh a little bit more by the time you add your wire and your screws. But for the most part, this is extremely light. And also, when you're done assembling it, I recommend you spray it down with clear UV resistance spray paint. I do have a link on my store where you can purchase that from. And there's two ways you can assemble this. If you want to make this to be permanent, then you can super glue it together. If you don't want it to be permanent, you can use silicone. Now, what I would do is when you assemble, when you put the rods into the base of here, is I would take a measurement from here to the end and make sure it's 18.5 inches. If it is, then go ahead and put your super glue or silicone around these connectors, around these couplers. Same with the top. That's how I would do that. And then once you're done, then go ahead and spray it down with that clear coat. Now, if you're going to be doing this, you're going to be running a coax, obviously, to the antenna. On the other end of that coax, you're going to need a special adapter because on the back of a weather radio, they use an RCA connector. Now, I'm going to show you that here in a minute, what I mean by that. So let's go to the store here, and let me show you what I mean here about an option, the weather NOAA weather option kit. So let's go ahead and go to the store here. So now, when you go ahead and you select it, you'll have an option as you scroll down here to select if you want the weather kit add-on. If you don't, you say no, then it's just going to be a GMRS antenna that you see there. If you do, then you'll get the add-on kit. Now, the adapter I'm talking about is, and the link's on my store here, you can buy it from eBay, and what that adapter does, it lets you take a 259 connector and it goes to an RCA. That's what you need for the back of your weather radio. There's different size, different lengths you can purchase, whichever one you need for your particular setup. So that you got to purchase separately. You got to purchase this separately. So there you have it. Really simple. You can select. Just make sure that if you're coming here to purchase the weather kit, make sure you select that as you scroll down. Otherwise, you will not get it. You got to select it. And then you can just go ahead and add it. Now, the picture showing here is the GMRS antenna, obviously, and that was the black that it was in my, I just showed you here in a little bit ago. The white was the actual add-on kit part of this for the NOAA weather antenna. So there you go. I'll post a link down below where you can purchase this. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have yourself a good day.